How to use AT&T Value Plus plan feature. To use the AT&T Value Plus feature, first of all, you have to manage your preferences through the My AT&T application or the online portal. So go ahead and launch the official application of AT&T or simply launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the AT&T official website. Once you're here, log into your account and then go to the billing section by tapping on your profile icon on the top right, then head to AutoPay. Now you simply have to link a checking account or the official AT&T Point Plus card to unlock the full $10 per month discount. Once you do this, all you have to do is now use the unlimited North American roaming. No action is needed. When traveling to Canada or Mexico, you do not need to buy any international plans or pass. You simply have to open your device's cellular options and make sure that you have enabled data roaming. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.